In this video, we are going to learn about identities. Identities happen in all aspects of mathematics, so we may as well learn about them now. Identities in Algebra 1 have to do with equations with variables on both sides. Okay, so here we have an equation that has variables on both sides. And we know that our instructions for how to solve an equation with variables on both sides are you want all of your variables on one side and all of your constants on the other. So let's take a look at this though. Pause the video, please, and try to figure out what's going to happen when you try to do that. Well, let's see. Subtract 2x from this side. Subtract 2x from this side, because whatever you do to one side of an equation, you have to do it to the other. Huh, that's funny. My variables canceled themselves out. And what do I have left? Negative 4 equals negative 4. Huh. Is that a true statement? Yes, it is. Negative 4 is equal to negative 4. This is an identity. So let's define identities. An identity is a mathematical structure that is true for any value of x. What do I mean by that? Let's take a look. Let's take the equation that we had on the very first, at the very beginning of this video. 2x minus 4 equals 2x minus 4. It doesn't matter what I substitute in for x. I'm always going to get a statement that is true. Let's try it. Let's plug in negative 2. Let's say x equals negative 2. All right, so that gives me 2 times negative 2 minus 4 equals 2 times negative 2 minus 4. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Minus 4 is negative 8 equals 2 times 2 is negative 4. Minus another 4 is negative 8. You see, it is true no matter, and I'm certain that you can see that it doesn't matter what I put in for x. I'm always going to get a statement that is true. The way that you say this is all real numbers, which can be written like this, or you can write the words all real numbers. Or you can say infinitely many solutions. They're all equally correct. So you can have identities when both sides are equal. We just saw that in 2x minus 4 equals 2x minus 4. But you can also have an identity when both sides are not equal and will never be equal. Look at this example. We've got 2x minus 8 equals 2x plus 4. So what's going to happen in this case when we try to solve it? Let's subtract 2x from both sides, right? The x's are going to cancel out, and what are we left with? We're left with 8 equals -4. Not only is that not true, there is nothing you can do to make that true. So if we wanted to if we wanted to try substituting a number in, just like we did for the other identity, plus 8 equals 2x minus 4. Well, let's substitute -2 in there. So 2 times -2 plus 8 equals 2 times -2 plus minus 4. Sorry about that. Minus 4. So here we have -4 plus 8 equals -4 minus 4. Well, -4 plus 8 is +4. -4 minus 4 equals -8. Never going to be true. This identity, you say, is no solution. So let's review. A mathematical situation where no matter what number you plug in for x, you're always going to get a statement that is true. That is called all real numbers, or infinitely many solutions, or infinite solutions. A mathematical situation where no matter what you plug in for x, you're never going to get a mathematically true statement. That is called no solution. So there you have it. Identities, very cool things. They occur a lot, as you'll see as we move through math, and I'll see you in the next video.